In this video, pag-aaralan natin ang active voice and passive voice of verb. Anna did the research. Eric invited Mark to the party. Ang mga verbs sa mga pangusap na ito ay nasa active voice. Next. The research was done by Anna. Mark was invited by Eric to the party. Ang mga verbs sa mga pangusap na ito ay nasa passive voice. Ano ang active voice of verb? It shows that the subject performs the action expressed by the verb. Ipinapakita nito na ang subject ang gumagawa ng kilos na ipinapahayag ng verb. The subject is the doer of the action. Passive voice of verb. It shows that the subject receives the action expressed by the verb. Ipinapakita nito na ang subject ang tumatanggap ng kilos na ipinapahayag ng verb. Sa passive voice, the subject is the receiver of the action, tagatanggap lamang ng kilos. Balikan natin yung examples. Anna did the research. Sa pangusap na ito, ang verb ay did, nasa active voice. Ang subject o paksa ng pangusap na ito ay salitang Anna. Ang subject na Anna ang gumagawa ng kilos ng verb. Sinong gumawa ng research? Si Anna. Anna, siya yung gumawa ng kilos. Yung subject ang gumawa ng kilos ng verb. Pansinin naman ito. The research was done by Anna. Ang ating verb sa pangusap na ito ay was done, nasa passive voice. Sa pangungusap na ito, ang subject, salitang research. Ang subject na research ang tumatanggap ng kilos. Ano yung ginawa? Research. Next example. Eric invited Mark to the party. Ang verb sa pangusap na ito ay invited, nasa active voice. Pansinin natin yung subject ng pangusap. Salitang Eric. Eric invited Mark. Sino ang nag-imbita? Si Eric. Si Eric ang gumawa ng kilos. Yung subject ang active sa pagganap ng kilos. Pansinin naman ito. Mark was invited by Eric to the party. Ang verb sa pangusap na ito, was invited, passive form. Pansinin ang subject. Mark. Ang salitang Mark ngayon ang subject ng sentence. Ito ay passive na subject. Hindi gumawa ng kilos. Tagatanggap lang ng kilos. Passive form of a verb. Anyo ng verb na nasa passive form. To be plus past participle ng main verb. Ang verb na to be ay may iba't ibang form. Maaring am, is, are, was, were. At dudugtungan natin ito ng past participle ng main verb. Example. Give. Ito yung main verb. Para magawa yung passive form ng give, gagamit tayo ng formula na to be plus past participle para mabuo yung passive. Makikita natin, ang forms ng to be, is, are, was, were, dadagdagan ng past participle ng main verb, give, Past participle ng give ay given at mabubuo yung passive form. Isa-isahin natin. Ang passive form ng give ay is given, are given, was given, were given. Let's have examples. The school gives every student a report card. Ang verb ay gives, active voice. Para mabago sa passive voice ang pangusap, kailangan gumamit ng object ng sentence. Halimbawa, direct object, report card. Report card is the direct object of the sentence. Ito ang gagamitin nating subject para sa passive voice. Para makabuo ng passive voice, kailangan pansinin ang dalawang bagay. Una, ang verb, at ang pangalawa, ang object. Alamin kung ano ang tense ng verb. Present tense. Ang verb na gives ay nasa present tense. Sunod, alamin kung ano ang number ng object. Singular ba o plural? Sa sentence na ito, report card, singular. Ito ang gagamitin natin para mabuo ang pangusap na nasa passive voice. A report card is given to every student. Ang ating verb sa pangusap na ito is given, nasa passive voice. Pansinin ang subject, report card. Balikan natin yung verb. Meron tayong auxiliary verb na is. At ang is ay present at singular. Nakaayon doon sa ating active voice. Next, same sentence. The school gives every student a report card. Ngayon naman, gagamitin natin ang indirect object ng sentence, student. Muli, kailangan tingnan ang dalawang bagay, verb, object. Ito ang gagamitin natin sa pagbuo ng passive voice. Ang object ay singular at ang verb ay nasa present tense. Kaya ang magiging pangusap natin in passive voice, every student is given a report card. Ang verb sa pangusap is given, passive form na. Pansinin ang subject, student. Merong auxiliary verb na is. Ang is ay singular at present tense. Next example. Teachers give grades based on student performance. Ang verb sa pangusap, give, active voice. Para mabago sa passive voice, kailangan gamitin ang object ng sentence. Direct object ay grades. Ito ang gagamitin natin na subject para sa passive voice ng verb. Alamin ang tense ng verb at number ng object. Ang verb na give ay nasa present tense, grades, plural. Ang pangusap ay grades are given based on student performance. Ang verb ng sentence na ito ay are given, passive voice. Pansinin yung subject, grades. At ang ginamit natin auxiliary verb ay salitang are, present, plural form. Next, the teacher gave the class a research project. Ang verb sa pangusap na ito, gave, active. Gagamitin natin yung object ng sentence, direct object, research project. Singular, ang object, at ang verb ay nasa past tense. Kaya ang mabubuo natin na passive voice ay a research project was given to the class. Ang verb sa sentence ay was given, passive. Ang subject ng sentence na ito, research project. Pansinin yung auxiliary verb, was, singular, past form. Next. The teacher gave topics for research. Ang verb sa sentence ay gave, active voice. Gagamit tayo ng object ng sentence. Direct object, topics. Past tense ang verb. At ang object ay plural. Kaya ang ating mabubuo na sentence, topics for research were given by the teacher. Ang verb, were given, passive form. Pansinin natin kung ano ang subject ng sentence. Topics. Ang auxiliary verb ay were. Ang were ay nasa past form at plural form. Conjugation. Ito ay pagbuo ng iba't ibang anyo ng verb ayon sa tense at number. Example, take, main verb. Present simple, am taken, is taken, are taken. Past simple, was taken, were taken. Next, future simple, will be taken. Present progressive, am being taken, is being taken, are being taken. Past progressive, was being taken, were being taken. Present perfect, has been taken, have been taken. Past perfect, had been taken. Future perfect, will have been taken. Infinitive, to be taken. Let's have a practice. Change the sentence from active voice to passive voice. Use the underlined words as subject of the sentence. The teacher divides the students into 8 groups. Eric, Anna, and 3 others composed one group. The teacher gave them time to choose the research topic. They have to complete the research within 2 months. Let's answer. The students are divided into 8 groups. One group is composed of Eric, Anna, and 3 others. They were given time to choose the research topic. The research has to be completed within 2 months. Anong dapat tandaan? Active voice of verb shows that the subject performs the action expressed by the verb. Ipinapakita nito na ang subject ang gumagawa ng kilos na ipinapahayag ng verb. The subject is the doer of the action. Passive voice of the verb shows that the subject receives the action expressed by the verb. Ipinapakita nito na ang subject ang tumatanggap ng kilos na ipinapahayag ng verb. The subject is the receiver of the action. Para mabuo ang passive form ng verb, kailangan to be plus past participle ng main verb. Ang to be ay may iba't ibang form. Am, is, are, was, were. At kailangan dugtungan ng past participle ng main verb. Kung may natutunan ka sa video ito, like this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the notification bell para notified kayo sa mga susunod na videos.